Zinc and Halo, two global pioneers in safety and security technology, have joined forces in a strategic partnership with a joint mission to protect people. Zinc is empowering organizations with enterprise resilience with its award-winning incident and critical event management platform that keeps people and places protected. Halo is revolutionizing safety and security with its world-leading fixed-cost body cams and cloud-based digital asset management. The partnership will help eliminate delays in incident response, ensure accuracy of captured footage relating to an incident, and significantly reduce the amount of time taken for evidence gathering, giving your team the gift of time. In a fast-paced world, when every second matters, this integration solves real-world challenges. Connecting body cam footage to incident reports in real time streamlines incident response when it counts most. Incidents like theft, assaults or violence, crowd control, protests, medical emergencies, health and safety breaches, technical issues, or major threats such as terrorism, with centralized access of all incidents and associated footage, saving time and money, freeing up resources for critical tasks, reducing human error by automatically transferring footage, accelerating response times by viewing footage in real time, reducing poor quality images, improving offender profiles, and banning registers, limiting the opportunity for footage tampering, minimizing the deniability for civil recovery claims, increasing likelihood of successful prosecutions, complying with data protection regulations, and happier, safer staff plus no back and forth chasing for footage. The time is now to future-proof your operations with connectivity, because safety can't wait and the return on investment is clear. Based on reporting 300 incidents, you'll save 24 hours. In addition, save up to 50% in your incident triage and analysts' time and resources. Future-ready safety and security. With Halo and Zinc, the future of safety and security is proactive, responsive, and built for resilience.